All right, what's going on, everyone? Thanks for tuning in. Hope you're doing good. I'm Zach Davis. Appreciate you joining me. I am going to do a members only Ask Me Anything, and I've got it set up for June 29th. So, members only Ask Me Anything on June 29th. That's a Sunday, and I'm going to do it at 7 o'clock Central. So, 7 o'clock Central time on June 29th. I'm going to start trying to do this once a month as a perk to members on YouTube and Patreon. Here's how you get in this deal. You have to, number one, be a member on YouTube or Patreon, and I will send you a link to this private live. And what'll happen is you'll be able to ask me anything you want in the chat, and I'll stay with you and follow up on your questions, do the best to answer everything to the best of my ability, and just kind of make that a perk for you guys. You've got to send me an email, though, in order to get the link. Just send me an email, say, Zach, I want to join the live. Here's my email, and I'll make sure that you get that link. You got to do it before the 29th, though, because I'll be super busy on a Sunday, and I'll have to have it set up before then. So June 29th, 7 p.m. Central, send the email to ztdavis0112 at gmail.com. ztdavis0112 at gmail.com. So if you're a member on Patreon or YouTube, you'll have access to this link. If you're not currently a member, then go become a member on one of those things, and you'll get exclusive access to things like this live and to a lot of the Revelation 20 commentary stuff that doesn't get released to the public. Had a really good response on the Revelation 20 commentary, had more members join last month than any other month ever, and it was largely due to that. So if you guys want in on this, ztdavis0112 at gmail.com, and hopefully this will be enjoyable for everyone, and you'll get to ask whatever you want to ask. And maybe some of you aren't interested in that, but I think there are several folks who are, and just want to throw that out as an option. So looking forward to it. June 29th, 7 p.m. Central, ztdavis0112 at gmail.com. Don't be trying to trick me, you people. I can see the emails on who's a member and who's not. So anyway, take care, and God bless.